Urgency, urgency, urgency. In fact, just saying that is reminding me of a time when I was out of breath because everything was urgent. And this is because I had not designed a rhythm in my life. Designing a rhythm in your life does not ignore the things that are urgent. It just means that you plan for them. Let me give you a context. If today you are meant to do something, think about that list of to do, maybe that you have. If you're like me, you have a to do list. Or maybe you just know that today is that day you are meant to do something. And then you don't. Tomorrow comes, you remember you're supposed to have done it yesterday, and then you don't. And the day after comes, and you remember. And now it has become a debt to you that you have not done this thing. Needless to say, the day is coming when it comes calling for it to be done. Just in case you are looking at a debt financially, if you don't pay it today, and you don't pay it tomorrow, you don't pay it the third day, it accumulates interest. And just in the same way that I was talking about urgency, 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 reminding me of a time that I lived in, your urgency now is going to be like a lockdown. If today, suddenly the owners come calling for that money, wherever you got this money from, when they come calling, they've come calling for their thing. It becomes urgent now. I want you to imagine how you're moving now. Who are you calling? Which accounts are you going into to withdraw? Which bank are you driving to? Which favors are you calling? Urgency, urgency, urgency. But when you design a rhythm in your life, and here then since I've used the example of finance, if you start to create a budget for yourself, and in that budget, you know how much money you need to be able to just live for that one day, second day, third day. And now you know where the monies are coming through, and you're able to see how it can pay off and be able to sustain your life. That is one step. The second step is to know, what do you owe? What are the debts that you have? And beginning to work towards paying off those debts. I'm sure you've heard of the 50, 30, 20 principle. And that's not what I'm here to talk about today. But I'd like to beg from the point of, are you putting money aside? Are you investing it? Because that is the rhythm that you're creating that is going to make sure that those urgent days, even if they do come, they're very few. Because urgency, urgency, urgency does not help your stress level. Just like I said, harmony is not found, harmony is created. So using that example that I started off with, if it is in finance that you're always feeling you have to pay something urgently, you're always trying to make up, then maybe you need to listen to this from the beginning of this video and know what you need to do every single day as you design a rhythm in your life. I hope that helps you. Thank you for listening to Bites by Clarity Coach Lucy.